In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely manage library and system folders in macOS Finder to avoid any errors. So we will not touch those folders, but do you know where are the location of those and how to access those things? I'm not telling you to access to modify there. I'm just going to show you should not touch those things if you access over there. So let's see how you can access there. At first, I'm going to open the Finder. So the Finder is like that. Then we need to click go and it will bring this type of menus. From here we have to choose computer. Once we are in computer, we'll see Macintosh HD is there. We can double click and very shortly we'll see a list of folders. These are the root level folders and these two are the important folders. One is library and other is system. So don't try to modify or delete anything from here. You can modify something from here if you know something, but most of the users we don't need to touch. So the recommendation is don't try to modify system files unless necessary. And that's it. In this way we can safely manage library and system folders in macOS Finder to avoid any unnecessary errors.